Hey guys, welcome to WealthFridge. Now I created this channel specifically for you. I grew up in a lower class family where my mom and dad both had 2 to 3 jobs. You know, we worked tirelessly to make ends meet and it still seemed like it wasn't enough to provide the life that everyone wanted. So I created a channel surrounded around recreating the middle class. Now what I mean by lower class is anyone who makes below $50,000. That's giving you guys insider knowledge on how to move your money, where to use it, how to grow it, and how to make your money work for you to grow more money, right? So kind of think of it as every 2 weeks you guys stock your fridge with food, but you're probably not stocking your wealth fridge with wealth, right? You're not putting into your 401k, or you're not utilizing your insurance, or you know, there's all these different tricks and tips that we're going to go over to help you create more wealth in your world, to create more money and a better desired outcome that you've always wanted. So we're going to be talking about Market Monday, which is going to be really in-depth market knowledge on real estate and what's going on in the real estate industry as a whole. Trading Tip Tuesday will focus in on creating wealth in a different side other than real estate. Now, of course, there's always more potential the more you grow your portfolio. So maybe you have some 401k in your trading, maybe you do daily trading, and then Wednesday is all about Wealth Wednesday. Now this can be anything and everything that our teachers didn't teach us, everything that society has failed us on, and nothing that we've been taught. So stay tuned for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday videos. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that dinner bell so that when I upload a new video, you guys get it. Dinner bell, get it? It's a play on the Wealth Fridge. I have 150 videos already pre-planned, ready to go. So just make sure you guys tune in. Maybe put it over here. Is that better? Welcome to WealthFridge. This is gonna be, no, cut that.